Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGate. In this video, you are going to learn about the basics of HTML. So let's begin. HTML basically stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. Hypertext is a method by which internet users navigate the web. So hypertext refers to links that connect web pages to one another, either within a single website or between websites. Therefore, the link available on a web page is called hypertext. Let's understand about markup language. A markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document. So HTML is a markup language. It is the most important language in web development. Without HTML, you cannot build any website. So, what is HTML? Since HTML is a markup language, it makes use of various tags to format the content. These tags are enclosed within angle brackets. Except few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tags. For example, HTML has its closing tag /HTML and the body tag has its closing tag /body. Now let's start coding. In order to start to code, we need to use a code editor. The code editor that we will be using is Visual Studio Code. You can use any other code editor such as Atom, Sublime Text, etc. But I recommend you that you use Visual Studio Code since it's user-friendly and as most developers use it. So go to Chrome and type Visual Studio Code. And then download the required file according to your PC. After downloading it, open VS Code. First of all, let us create a new folder here. Let us name it as Web Development. You can name it according to your choice. Now let us create a new file, index.html. Okay, now the first thing that we need here is the doctype declaration. HTML documents must start with the doctype declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. It also tells the browser what version of HTML we are using. We are using the latest version of HTML, that is HTML5. Okay, so let's now learn about the HTML tag. The HTML tag represents the root of an HTML document. The HTML tag is the container for all other HTML elements except for the doctype declaration. Let's learn about attributes. These are additional values that configure the elements or adjust their behavior in various ways to meet the criteria the users want. Let's learn about the language attribute. The language attribute specifies the language of the element's content. Common examples are EN for English, ES for Spanish, FR for French, and so on. By the way, you should always include the language attribute inside the HTML tag to declare the language of the web page. This is meant to assist search engines and browsers. The next tag that we need is the head tag. The head tag in HTML is used to define the head portion of the document which contains information related to the document. The head tag contains other head elements such as title, link, etc. Now let's learn about the title tag. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page. Let's type tag get here. Let's now open this HTML page in a browser. So in order to open a HTML page in a browser, you need to save it with a .html extension. And then open it using Google Chrome or any other browser. Here you can see that tag gate is displayed in the Browsers tab. Now let's know about the body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. It is a visual part of the page to the user. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, etc. Headings. The H1 tag defines the most important heading, and the H6 tag defines the least important heading. The H1 to H6 HTML elements represent 6 levels of section headings. Okay, so let's type this is a heading here in the H1 tag. And copy the same text for all the other heading tags. And let's note the difference. Now go to your browser and click the refresh button. Here, as you can see, the H1 tag is much larger in size compared to the H6 tag. Okay, the last thing that we are going to learn is about the paragraph tag. The P tag defines the paragraph tag. So let's type this is a paragraph here. Okay, so go to your browser and refresh it again, and here we go, we have the paragraph. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. In my next video, you're going to learn about ordered and unordered lists, image tags, links, and much more. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.